Okay, y'all, so I'm about to start taking y'all on the journey with me of cooking my quick and easy, affordable, and filling meals that I cook for my family. So I'm going to bring you along today as I cook our dinner. Today I'm going to be cooking nachos, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare all my ingredients in my pots and pans, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so right here I have about 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, but my family can really eat. So to stretch that, I'm also going to cook some rice. You can use whatever kind of meat you like and also whatever kind of rice you like. But today I'm going to be using brown rice. So I have my water. I'm going to add some butter to that, and that's going to be for my rice. So I'm going to get that started, and then I'm going to start on browning my meat. Okay, y'all, so now I'm browning my ground meat, and I added some minced garlic to the pot. I added some minced garlic to the pan, and then I'm going to let my meat brown a little, and then I'm going to start seasoning. And you can use whatever seasons you like, but for me, I just eyeball it and just do whatever I feel at the moment. But my key essentials are onion powder and garlic powder. Aside from that, I just do whatever I do. So the meat is done, and as you know, with ground turkey, there's no excess fat left over in the pan, so no need to drain as you would with some ground beef. So get you some ground turkey. The rice is ready, so I went ahead and added it in with the meat, and at this point, I like to taste it and see if maybe it needs any more seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste and see what I think. Okay. It tastes real good, so I don't need nothing else. So now I'm going to add my taco seasoning and water, just like you do when you normally make tacos. So let's do that. At this point, I also add salsa, black beans, and corn to the pot, and then I let it cook down. So let's go ahead and add those ingredients, let it simmer, and then we'll be back after that. Change of plans. I thought I had corn, but I don't, so I'm just going to add the salsa and the can of black beans. So I make sure I drain my black beans, and I would drain the corn as well. I use a canned corn as well. And so I add the full can into this, and I add about maybe a quarter cup or so of salsa, and then I'm going to let that cook on low, and then we'll move on to the next step. Another ingredient that I almost forgot is rotel tomatoes. So I drain those as well, and then I add those in. Now everything is ready, so I'm going to bring you along and show you how I prepare my plates. And yes, we use paper plates because we have more than enough dishes to wash in this house. So first I get my chips. And these came from Sam's, by the way. So I just add me a layer on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go over here and add my meat. Okay, so we have our chips and our meat. Then I like to add lettuce. Then shredded cheese. Not too much because I'm going to add those little cheese sauces as well, so I don't want too much. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salsa on the top. My guac salsa. Then I'm going to use just this queso cheese sauce. I'm not going to use the other one. Or I might use some of that one since it's only a little bit of this. It's not cheesy enough. Not too much. Then I'm going to top it with some jalapenos, and then we'll be ready to eat. Video, as you can see, somebody really enjoyed it. But yeah. So that concludes the video, and be sure to check this recipe out and let me know.
Redo it.
No. Anyway, so be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications. See you in the next one. Bye.